Hi everybody, welcome to week 1 of the virtual pad work series. So we're going to go over some different combinations over the next 8 weeks. First we're going to practice is how to cover up when your child's punching, okay? So Michael, you can face me here. Okay, so first thing, going over the stance. When your kids are in the stance, depending if they're right-handed or left-handed, if they're right-handed, they're going to have their right foot back. If they're left-handed, they're going to have their left foot back, okay? So what we're going to practice today is jab, cover, cross, cover. So Michael's going to throw a jab with his lead hand, jab, and then I'm going to take this hand. I'm just going to make sure his hands are up, just like that. Then he's going to go cross, cross, and he's going to cover up. Okay, so we'll do that again. He's going to go jab, cover. Oh, try it again. Jab, cover. There you go. Cross, cover. Okay, so all we're making sure is that every time your child's punching, they're pulling their hand back. Now, sometimes they might throw a jab, and Michael, go ahead and just put this hand down right here. There you go. All right, throw your jab. Throw a jab with this hand. This hand. Okay, so if you see that happening, just do this. Go ahead and pick your hand up, Michael. And then keep their hand here as they're jabbing. Jab. Good. Oh, other hand, buddy. Jab. There you go. Good. And then for the cross, same thing. Cross. There you go. That way it kind of forces their hand, okay? So for the first round, just for an example, we're going to go jab. Other hand, buddy. Jab. There you go. Cover. There you go. Cross. Cover. Okay? The second round is going to start just like the same. It's going to be jab, and then go and cover your head like this. Cover. There you go. Cross. Other hand. Cross. Cover. Good. And then we're going to add a hook. Okay, so Michael's going to hook. Hook. Good. Nice. And when your child hooks, make sure the front foot is turning. Okay, so Michael, go ahead and, yeah, turn that foot and hook. There we go. Hook. Good. So that's the second round. So second round is going to be jab, cover, cross, other hand, cross, cover, hook, and then cover. Okay? So that's the second round. Third round, it's going to start just like the beginning. Jab, cover, cross, cover, hook, cover, and then we're going to duck, duck. Okay, so let's do that from the beginning. Jab, cover, good, cross, cover, hook, cover, cover first. There you go, then duck. Okay? Hey parents, are you looking for a fun and affordable way to learn martial arts at home for just 10 minutes a day with your child? My name is Taylor Kelly. I'm the creator of Dojo Go. I've been teaching kids martial arts since 2012. And for the last 15 years, I often get asked by parents, what should I work on with my kids at home? And if this question ever comes across your mind, I gotta tell you, you're a very special kind of parent. And I really mean that. What you're really saying is that you wanna have an important role in helping your kids develop their martial arts skills. You don't want to sit in the sidelines. You want to be directly involved with what your kids are doing, right? And for that, I highly commend you for it. Now, you can go on YouTube right now and look up a bunch of different pad work lessons for kids, but I gotta tell you, most content on the internet, especially for martial arts, is not designed for children, especially beginners. And I'm gonna be honest, your child can only get so far by punching and kicking in the air. But if you want to take your child's skills to the next level, I got something really awesome to share with you. Introducing the 8-week Parent-to-Child Pad Work program. This program will walk you step by step on how to hold pads with your kids, and will teach you how to properly coach your children to improve their martial arts skills. When I was filming this course, I could have used one of my top students to demonstrate the techniques. Instead, I purposely filmed with one of my beginner students to give you a realistic feel of how the course will actually go for you. Plus, you get to see my coaching in real time, unscripted, so that way you can use similar methods to help you coach your kids more effectively. Now, pad work can be very complex and it can be complicated. However, you don't need to spend hours upon hours every week to get good at pad work. In fact, all you need to do is spend 10 minutes twice a week minimum to get some pretty good results, such as improved balance, coordination, speed, power, endurance, and most of all, develop a healthy, fun habit that you can enjoy as a family. Included with the videos are a printable 8-week calendar, a bonus solo virtual pad work series, and for a limited time, private coaching where you guys can submit videos to me and I will send you personalized coaching tips. We've been able to help thousands of families with our Dojo Go online programs, and I look forward to helping your family reach their potential. Click the link below to join our program now.